Hello everybody! So today we will see how to install starlyx software in Linux on the Ubuntu distribution. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we will use the GitLab website of starlyx, and we will see the following steps. So we will make the full compilation. Okay, so I've just installed Linux on my computer, so it's a native installation. So maybe it's the same for you, I don't know. First, we need to do to update the software, the distribution, with the password. No, sorry. Okay. Okay, then we need to install Git in order to download files. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, then we install CMake in order to do the compilation of store engine. Yes. Okay, and then we need to install build essential in order to install GNU C compilator and others. Yes. Okay, nice. So the steps are not so useful if they are already done in your computer, but for me and for others, the steps are necessary. So then we will install Store Engine. Okay, so first of all, I propose you to create a variable environment which contains the path of the folder where you want to install starlyx. So for me, it's in the root, okay, /home/foin, and then I create a new folder for me, which his name is work. Okay, and I will install starlyx in this folder. I can close it. So you can use nano or vi in order to go in your .bash rc, and inside this file you will create a variable environment. So let's just add a comment, it's useful. Link my path. Okay, so with the export word, you will create my path, and this variable will contain the path where you want to install starlyx. For me, it's home. For everybody, it's home. For me, it's Foin, because this is my name. It's different for you. And work. Okay. You can also erase /home/foin and use you can use the variable environment named home with the dollar in order to get the value. It's the same thing. Okay, you can save and exit. Okay, nice. So now you need to go in the path where you want to install starlyx. You can go to it with $cd $mypath. Okay, so you've written just before. So inside this folder you can git clone starengine path. So in order to install starengine, so first you need to download files, and then you create a directory, mkdir make directory. The name of the directory is build, so you've created, and then you go inside this directory. Okay, and when you are inside the build directory, you can do cmake /cmake in order to precompile starengine, and then you can compile starengine with make. Okay, nice. So now starengine is installed on your computer. So you can go out the file, the folder. So it's very important to export the link, to export the path. So you can copy this line, and then go in your bash RC with nano, for example. Okay, so you go at the bottom, you can add a comment, it's better. Okay, nice. And then you can paste the link. Okay, it's okay, you can save. Then we will do the same thing for the second line, for LD library path, with a comment. Okay, it's nice, so everything is okay here. You can save, you can exit, and launch another terminal. Okay, nice, so now starengine is installed, and then we will install mxml 2.12, so you can download it here, and then copy paste the link. Okay, in order to download mxml 2.12. Then you need to uncompress mxml with this with the following. Okay, mxml is uncompressed. You can go on the mxml folder, and then you need to configure it with this command /configure. And then compile it with a make. This warning are not so important, don't worry. Okay, nice. Now you can do the sudo make install command. Need the password. Okay, nice. So now mxml 2.12 is installed. So now we will install starlyx. Okay, so you can do as a root. You can use your environment variable mypath. Oops, sorry. In order to go in the folder where you want to install starlyx, you can git clone the file. Okay, starlyx is cloning. Okay, and then you can go on the starlyx folder. Okay, and now you need to compile starlyx with make. A problem occur again and again. I don't know why. So let's go inside the at the root, and then in the bash rc again, and we will see. Okay, so normally it's working, but we will try to put off the Guillaume. Okay, so let's go and start it folder again. Let's do the make clean, it's important, and then make. Okay, nice. So now starlyx is installed. So you needed to export the path where starlyx is installed in the environment variable environment path. So let's go at the root. Let's go at the bash rc, sorry. And you can add a comment. And then paste the following. It's important to don't forget dollar right here in order to call the value of the variable myPath that you've created just before. Okay, let's save, let's exit, and launch again. Okay, nice. So now with the graphic interface, we will go inside the folder where you install the starlyx. You go in the starlyx folder and you open example.star.gz and you extract example. You extract here, it's good. Close, close. So now you go on the example folder on the minimal cube example, and in order to verify that starlyx is working well, just erase the result of starlyx, and then open a new terminal, and inside this terminal you will use starlyx with the following senXML. So starlyx need a sen object in order to work. So we will see if it's working or not. Okay, so starlyx is working, so it's perfect. So we see that the software has created two files. one picture, which is the result of the computation of a radiative transfer by Monte Carlo method, and then another file. So starlyx is now installed, so thank you for watching, and you can subscribe. Goodbye!